everybody. I'm making a YouTube video. And by the way, this is Minecraft Kirk. I'm making a YouTube video. The last YouTube video I made was called Mariana. Oh, she's not. No, she's not. Okay. And now I'm gonna see her at school. And this is gonna be weird. I'm not gonna tell her that I'm in a YouTube video, but oh my god. There's her friend all the way over there. You can't really see her, but there's her friend all the way over there. And I don't know where she is. And there's a random phone. And yeah. I'll show you her once I get to my school, okay? Next video. Bye.